All right, go ahead. Yeah, it stops automatically. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a micro switch or something. But that's it. Thanks, guys, for helping out.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And this will go on YouTube, so that Bundutop, you know, they'll check it out.
Yeah, they might sponsor you. There you go.
So fits real nice in the frame I built.
It's tall enough a bear can't get in the tent.
Yeah, no bears in the tent. So this section here in the floor will be cut out so I can stand up inside the tent in the back of the truck, and hangs over the cab a little bit. I just got to bolt it all down now. So that's the tent, and had the awning open earlier, so we'll have to save that video for another time. We're there. Yeah. That is really neat. And they say you don't need support unless it's a really super strong wind, as long as you have the straps, end straps, pulling it tight. Wait. Yeah, I think I folded it wrong. I'll get it. There it is. Watch your head. That's it. That's the Bundutop and the BunduAwn, or BunduAwn. And this is my camping setup. I'm planning on cutting a hole in the bottom of the floor here so that I can actually stand up in the bed and have headroom into the tent. But the forward end will be 6 foot of sleeping area. So, and eventually I'm going to get a hinged door in the back and some sides to fully enclose the bottom, and this will be my camper setup. Thanks for watching.